Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create multi-level numbered list in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create multi-level number list. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the Draw Text Box option and draw a text box to this page. Then write anything on this text box. Now I write anything. Then select this all text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. Then increase the font size. Then go to the numbered list option and we can see here not available the multi-level number list. Now I select this normal number list. Then click the second number list. Before then press tab on our keyboard. You can use the tab or use the indent. Select this text before, then select the indent and move this. Then go to the another line and applying the indent. Now we can see we create multi-level number list very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.